Hey guys, man, so I'm here back in another video. Well, I didn't get any footage at the fire today because I had run around meeting people and talking to people entire time, so basically what happened, didn't get any real footage of it, but I want to give a few shout outs first. I want to give a shout out to Jim, horrible last name, so I'm not going to say his last name. I'm going to say Jim, he's the first person to come up and meet me, so thank you, Jim. I do like when people come up to meet me. Stand in line for Travis and someone comes up behind me. Are you Oliver? And I turn around. Yeah, it's Jim. So thank you, Jim. Another one would be H Turbo. We were standing in line to talk to Wes. He was up against the pickup truck with Teresa. He's sitting on the tailgate for a minute, I think. And then after a while, we were out looking at the grain bins. He was over there too. Next one would be Bigfoot 1103. Shout out to him. Great guy. You guys are all great people. We're talking right in front of the Big Tractor Power booth. So yeah, shout out to those guys. If I'm missing anyone, let me know in the comments. So at the raffle drawing, I know some of you guys are. I know H Turbo was at the drawing. I don't know about Bigfoot 1103 and GM, but I don't know. But I get the things that I bought real quick. I bought one Lonely Farmer hat and a How Farmers Work hat. I actually have to go get another thing that I did buy. Right here. Rest of the store decal. Rest of the store decal. These are the three things that I bought. Things that I won, which I have the third one, but I'm wearing it. No, wait, I'm missing one. I have four because my dad gave me his two raffle tickets. Whatever. First one I got would be the One Lonely Farmer shirt with the everything embroidered on the side. We're out talking to Andrew there, agronomist, but with the planter and the sprayer. My dad has no clue what we're talking about, but I did. We were walking up to the drawing and Wes was looking for me. Luckily he's got the t-shirt in hand for me. They're going to mail it out, but we were there, so that's first thing I got. Then second thing I got would be the Rhino Ag tape measure. Now I got my own tape measure now, so I can't steal my dad's anymore. Next thing I got was this Power 4 Power Tactical flashlight. Now I have one of my own. I can't take my dad's. And Big Tractor Power and Toy Tractor times Jason. The drawing I got the Oliver 1950 El Toro. I had it out of the box toy, so you could tell I cut that. They're trying to get it open. What I will do, I will take it out of the box for you guys. And again, a shout out to the rest of the story. One Lonely Farm and How Farms Work for helping the show be a great success. Actually, we got there an hour early. I don't know if Travis is watching. Their dad would be. Now, why can I not get this thing? Yeah, I'm wearing shorts. It's a big deal. Got it. Okay. Didn't damage the box. Put the head on here. And this Oliver is on the headboard. I have a tripod that's broken, wore out. Right here it is. If I know correctly, with Toy Tractor Times, aka Jason, there's only a certain amount of these made from SpecCast. This is a beautiful model. I mean, beautiful. It's absolutely gorgeous. Straight piped, dual area cleaners. It's got the weights hanging off at the angles, like it's actually been used. Got the big balloony tires on it, which I found kind of funny, but actually I like it. Does not have the fender tanks, which is fine with me. It's a Wheatland model because it doesn't have the lift arms. Yep, no lift arms on from what I can tell. dash and the operator's platform. Pretty detailed for a 1/64th scale. Side of the engine, if this thing wants to focus. Focus. I'm gonna bring you guys over to the computer. I was goofing around there for a little bit. Get a little more light over in here. There's me wearing the One Only Farmer shirt. There you go. 1950 Oliver El Toro with the thing's got a Waukesha motor in it. But again, very detailed for 1/64th scale. What I am going to do, we will run into my bedroom here and we will grab one of my other Olivers. Just gotta find the difference in that one. I'll grab my 1950T, which is basically the same thing, but this is turbo. T stands for turbo. I think this one's actually aspirated. But if you look, put them side by side, look at the difference in detail. I say SpecCast does an amazing job. We have another SpecCast piece. Oliver's the second edition of the SpecCast family here at this household. First edition is this. Had it for about a year now. My dad, if you guys that don't know, my dad owns the Anoka Goodyear facility on Main Street in Anoka. It's independently owned and operated. My little brother actually got to set the Almond Threshing Show for a couple bucks. It's a beautiful truck. I mean, absolutely gorgeous. The 1950s, I think. I think it says on the bottom. Oh, it's got a little key to it. Let me read here. It's a 1957 limited edition. It's kind of a special truck. We have the box for it. I told my brother that you don't want to throw away the box for these. Keeping the box long enough, they become worth a fair bit of money. That's why I'm doing the same for this. Now, underneath, you gotta be careful. There's like nothing underneath the 1950T. A lot of detail underneath the 1950 El Toro. Set it on just 2 tires. They don't want to damage a straight pipe on it. They're actually very, very detailed. Had it out of the box at like 9 o'clock last night, but I was really tired, so I just put it back in the box and I looked at it this morning. I took it out of the box this morning. It's a very, very beautiful, very, very detailed tractor. Me being a toy tractor collector, I absolutely love it. Now that's a door? I just now realized that. You know what? We'll go up on the windowsill. Ooh, nice and cloudy outside. Nope. That's a door right there. It's weird. I really love this tractor. Even though it looks funny, I really do like it. Very, very nice. Just getting a pack of Olivers, an 88 and a 1550. I love this. This is probably my new favorite 1/64th scale tractor for a collector's edition. I have a couple collector's edition. Actually, we'll grab them. Yes, I like to play farm some. I think they're right in here. Here's there's another Oliver. And here's one of my collectors right here. 8020 diesel. I've had that since I was a little kid. Now we gotta go in here, grab this other one. Yeah, here's one of them. This is a 40th anniversary John Deere Powertrain 5010. I think this is also a Wheatland model. I am not sure on that one, actually, to be honest. Here's the 88 row crop. I'm gonna tell you, this looks kind of funny when I do this, though. Take this big old V-rake by Heston. Makes the thing look kind of funny. I don't think you'd be able to pull with that small of a tractor. Can't remember the model off that. Not real McCase Internationals, but what was that? Oh, actually, my 49, I think. 55 series. 6400. I'll be right back, guys. I'm gonna go take care of something real quick. Phone's going off. Alright, so where was I? Oh yeah, looking at these. Here's the Oliver. It's 1555. My bad. 1550. I got the old school tires like my 7130 has. I got a whole bunch of stuff in here. Yeah, it's one of the collector's tractors that I have. This one's not the right spot. That's supposed to go there, and that's supposed to slide in there. Good. We should be back to regular programming like I was last summer at the Farm Sim videos. Oop. Forgot you. Let me just go right there. Ooh, in there. I'll fix you in a minute. Anyways, so I got from the farm day for the what I bought and what I got out of the drawing. Put my brother's truck back. Nothing even has suspension on it. You can tell the difference. This thing's got smaller weights. I think it actually has real weights on it, like they should. Hey Maisie, what you doing? And we'll put it back in the box. Set you guys up on this hat here. Actually, tape measure works too. Or not. This will be the last time this box gets open for a long time. I'll do an unboxing of this in another video. You're making noise. Yeah, you're making noise. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Again, thank you to everyone that came out to the farm day to meet me and talk to me and other people. I love the farm day. I'd say they'd do it again. I like going there. Me and my dad like to go with the trip out there. I like the scenery out there. It's actually pretty nice. Anyways, at the end of this video, I'm going to stick up a picture of our campground we stayed at that's actually flooding as we speak. Because there's a dam that broke on the river. It's all the water coming from up where I live, down the river. 14 feet of it going to flood the campground. Anyways, you guys look at the photo and I'll catch you guys next video.